The Chief Judge of Lagos State, Justice Kazeem Alogba, has ordered the release of 18 inmates from correctional facilities across the state, alongside the deportation of 2 Chadian nationals. The order was given during a special session at the Ogba Magistrates Court as part of the 2026 Custodial Center's Decongestion exercise in Lagos. The exercise, organized by the Lagos State Judiciary, saw the beneficiaries drawn from the Borstal Home in Adigbe, the female correctional center, the medium and maximum security custodial centers across the state. Speaking to the journalists, the Chief Judge said the inmates were released after the cases were reviewed and found to have met the legal requirements for discharge, urging them to use the opportunity to reform and reintegrate into society. Justice Alogba also warned the freed inmates to embrace positive change and live law-abiding lives as they return to the society. Speaking at a special session, George described the exercise as a critical step towards justice, compassion, and humane treatment of persons in custody. He stressed that overcrowding has been a persistent issue which impacts not only the safety of staff and inmates but also the prospects for successful rehabilitation.
The judiciary is not the only participant in the machinery of administration of justice, particularly criminal justice. Cases will be brought to you in court. Witnesses must be provided to come to court. Then the prosecutor must do his work. They also have their own headaches. I may say, without appearing too sanctimonious, that we cannot say that judiciary does not have a part to play. We cannot say that we do not have a share of whatever the blame is as to the taking on for too long of cases in court. But I say it on record, and I want to be challenged, that in Lagos State, I can only speak for Lagos State Judiciary. In Lagos State, we do not delay cases.
The Lagos State government, in collaboration with the CRM, has demonstrated commendable commitment to reform and effective management of our correctional system. By carefully examining cases, warrant and prioritizing health of our correctional system, as well-being of our inmates, especially those who are critically ill, they have found dedication to fairness, mercy, and
the essence is to stop the continued incarceration of those who are supposed to have been released, who have stayed in custody for long, for like 5 years, 10 years, 13 years above. So those matters we are supposed to have concluded if the matter has gone on very well. But unfortunately, because of some slowdown in the system, there are matters we are not called up or they were not going in court. So these activities helps to touch the lives of those individuals, to release them from custody using the authority of the court.